Moving to all-electric buildings and electric vehicles are critical steps to reducing greenhouse gases. This Building REACH Code initiative is helping us to accelerate progress in this area. Dozens of agencies across San Mateo and Santa Clara counties work together with outstanding results. An innovative approach by Menlo Park in particular made building electrification codes more effective and easier to administer.
Well, REACH codes for the city of Menlo Park look at ways to reduce greenhouse gases and provide a higher standard for reaching our climate action goals. Having these REACH codes are standards for business, but also residential. So it would include all construction in Menlo Park to some degree. Even though it was controversial, we were able to get through the process, and I believe we were one of the first cities to do that. It's exciting to have an impact that is regional because we are all connected to one another here in San Mateo County.
Brisbane adopted a model of our REACH codes based on the Menlo Park model. So Brisbane's biggest contribution to the REACH codes was our innovation relative to reaching beyond what was set down for us to do, specifically in the area of solar, how we're looking at our new buildings. The EV charging stations, all new residential dwellings will be required to have at least one level 2 EV charging station per dwelling, per unit. And for the commercial buildings, 25 to 50% of their parking as electrified parking spaces. I do believe that Brisbane has some of the strongest EV codes in the state, which is great.
From this joint initiative, 15 municipalities adopted these building and EV charging REACH codes. This is half of all the cities in the state to enact similar actions.
San Mateo was among the first cities in California to adopt REACH codes. So we're proud to be a trailblazer when it comes to REACH codes. In our climate action plan, the way that we build our new buildings is going to impact the environment for the next 30 to 50 years. Natural gas is still a fossil fuel, and so the more we can use electricity in our new buildings, the more we can require solar panel installation, the less greenhouse gases will be emitted, and we will be able to get to a point where our new buildings are actually carbon neutral. Now is the time for us to act. It's not as hard as you may think it is. You'll look back and you will wonder what took you so long.
The City of Pacifica is getting the Fast Track Award because we were able to adopt the REACH codes at the same time as the standard 3-year, what's called a triannual California Building Code update. The purpose of this item is to provide general information about what REACH codes are, and then we were able to incorporate the direction that City Council gave us into the triannual update in November, and it passed on the first reading. It's easier for our customers to adapt and understand and not have continuous changes in the regulations that they need to comply with. So it was accepted by our contractors, it was accepted by our City Council, because really what it comes down to is keeping it simple. This is how change happens. We're now implementing REACH codes in our community.
Bold leadership is saying, you know what, we're going to go for it. Here in San Mateo County, we're leading by example. Sustainability and a clean environment and taking these bold initiatives, it's more important now than it's ever been. My colleagues here on the Board of Supervisors really put forth legislation that will save lives and make our environment safer for others. The REACH codes, it's just about innovation, making things better and progress. We need to lessen our carbon footprint. San Mateo County is extraordinarily proud to stand with these incredible and great cities of leadership. Menlo Park, Brisbane, San Mateo, Pacifica, covers the gamut of San Mateo County right there. You got north, you got south. Now we just got to fill in some other cities.
Congratulations to all, and welcome to the SSMC REACH Awards.